Hey, good Wednesday morning, everybody. This is Organic Dairyman, and today is obviously Wednesday, October 3rd. And anyways, it's a little bit after 9:30 in the morning. It's like a little foggy out this morning. It was actually a little thicker earlier this morning, but boy, I don't know if the soybeans are gonna go today or not. But yeah, you could just kind of see the off to the west over there, west and southwest, and it's just really foggy. But I just thought, yeah, I just bring you out here and show you it because you can see a little bit better than up in the yard. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be doing any soybeans today unless the weather drastically changes between now and late this afternoon. But I don't know, the wind is still feels like it's blowing out of the southeast yet, and I don't know. It's supposed to get up to 76 today. It didn't say anything about sun, but it just said it's supposed to be windy and 76 today. So I don't know. I just don't know what's gonna happen here, but maybe I won't get it if we don't get any beans combined today. I don't think it'll be till next week. So I don't know. I guess we'll just see what happens here with the weather, and I don't know. Like I say, unless things drastically change by this afternoon, but yeah, I'll keep you guys. I'll keep you posted here, and we'll see what happens later in the day. So that's all we can do is play the waiting game. Okay, everybody. It's about like 5 minutes to 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and I'm just standing out in one of our new seeding alfalfa fields just to show you what the weather is doing right now. It's still kind of foggy out. Really too much hasn't changed since about 9:30 this morning, and yeah, so yeah, so I don't really I really don't think that we're going to be combining any soybeans today, unless somehow the weather miraculously gets hot and dry. I just don't think we're going to be doing soybeans today. So, but that doesn't mean that we don't have anything to do. I have to finish up some of the feeding chores here yet, and we have to grind two batches of feed today, one for the calves and one for the milk cows. So yes, we have plenty to do. It's not like when I go up to the house and take the rest of the afternoon off and watch a movie or something like that. No, we got plenty to do around here. Keep myself busy the rest of the day. So, and there's always something that needs to be fixed or whatever, you know. So yeah, I don't know. So if I don't think we'll get anything done probably till next week, unless the weather changes. But there's just a lot of moisture on the grass out here. Grass and alfalfa, or not the grass, the oat stubble, and the oats, and you can see that yet. There's water droplets on there. So yes, and the leaves on the trees are starting to change. Some of those were probably because it got kind of dry earlier. That's why they look kind of brownish. But yeah, the leaves, fall is in the air. I don't even know what the temperature is right now. Let me check here and see what the temperature is. The phone says 62 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 76 today. At least that's what it forecasted it to. I guess they changed it. Those liars, they changed it to 63. Now they say it's supposed to be only a high of 63, so I don't know. Tomorrow is going to be colder. The wind's going to come out of the northwest tomorrow, so it's going to definitely feel like fall tomorrow compared to today. So oh, those dang weather forecasts are just They're just a bunch of liars. No, they do their best, but I guess it is what it is. So, but I'm gonna keep going, and I guess I'll check back with you later. Okay, everybody, I'm up in the yard here now, and I'm getting the feeder wagon loaded for the young stock. There's always something going on around here. The IBA supply truck is here, and the service truck is here to fix the refrigeration leak in the milk tank. So, like I said, there's never a dull moment around here. Always something that seems like it's going on or needs to be fixed. So, yeah, we actually have a small leak or something in our milk tank or whatever, the cooling system on it. So, service guy, he's here right now taking a look at that, and hopefully he's gonna get it fixed, but I gotta keep working with this here, so get this job done. Well, the weather vane up there just told me that the wind has changed. The wind is coming out of the northwest, and I don't know, you can start to feel it cool down just a little bit now, so I don't know. It's still cloudy though, but I don't know, I guess I just don't think it's gonna go today. But I gotta go grind some feed here. Okay, we got one batch of feed ground, another batch to go, and to top that off, it's misting out right now, and the wind has picked up, so I could say for certainty combining beans for today is a bust. It is just out of the question. So on to the next batch of feed. Okay, everyone. Got all done grinding the two batches of feed. So yeah, so that's done. So as far as there's not much else to do today, I guess. I gotta go grab a bite to eat. My stomach is growling, and yeah, I don't know if you could hear the wind out here. It was roaring, but I'll just shut up here and let you guys listen. Yeah, it really, all of a sudden the wind just changed. They say you saw all those leaves blowing off the trees. You can see right over here, this roadway over here, all the bunch of leaves just blew off the trees just like that. Just, man. Yeah, sometimes the northwest wind blows. It really blows. Yep, Canadians are sending down all their cold air, their cooler air down here. I think they ought to make it illegal. Make it illegal for that cold air to come across the border. Oh yeah, so I guess at least the combine's ready to go. When things, when things dry out, the weather cooperates, we are ready to go. Just gotta pop the head on and away we go. So yeah, I don't know, I just, it was like, well, you guys saw I showed the weather forecast, was it a couple nights ago I showed that to you guys, and I mean, it was like, it said 76 degrees and windy. I mean, I don't even know if it got up to 63 today, and it was just, you know, foggy, and then it started drizzling out. It's like, how come the weather forecasters get it so wrong? I just don't know how they could have messed it up that bad, but I guess it's a science and it's not always accurate, but I don't know. So, but anyways, I'm getting kind of hungry here, so I know it's after quarter 20 after 4, I think, right now. So yeah, so I guess we just gotta play the waiting game and wait for the weather to do its thing. But yeah, and the corn's too wet. We can't do anything with that. You know, maybe we'd consider switching the combine over to corn and doing some corn if it was, the corn was maybe in the low 20s. Maybe if the corn was 22, 21%, maybe we'd think about it, but just go and get the corn done. But I don't know, it's just too wet. The corn right now is in the high 20s, 28 probably percent. At least the main field is. That other field that's over that way is probably, I don't know, that could be 25, 24, but that's not much out there. There's only like 12 rows of corn, I think, left out there. So, but anyways, so I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow, what takes place. But anyway, that's all I've got for today's video. So, but so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Have any questions, drop down in the comment section below. Check out all my other videos, and check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. And thanks everybody for watching this video. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel, and please, if you're not hit that subscribe button, go right ahead and hit it. Doesn't take too much effort to do it. And I guess that's everything. So I'll catch you later.